Sigh. I'm so bored. I wonder what I'm gonna do today. Wait a minute. I have a genius idea. I'm gonna call Barry over here. Hey Barry, I have a genius idea. Come to my house.
Yeah, okay, I'll come there.
Hey,
Hey, I'm here. What do you want?
hey, I have a genius idea.
Well, does it involve guns?
Obviously, what else?
Okay, what about guns?
I have here a very majestic gun.
Wow, it's so cool, but, like, what are we gonna do with it?
Well, I'm gonna shoot it next to you, and hopefully you don't die.
Oh my god, well, how can you even think about that? And why have I thought about that? It's a genius idea. Let's do it. Okay.
I have the gun right here, standing against that wall. Oh,
Okay. Wait a minute. I'm starting to question this. Is it a really good idea?
yeah, just stand still. Ready? 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Hee-hoo.
Oh no. Barry, I accidentally shot you. No, it can't be.
I'm sorry, Mr. Elephant-Man. I thought I could always be there for you. But turns out I can't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Barry, no. 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 Barry. Barry. I have now unlocked my Mangekyou Sharingan, and I will destroy the hidden leaf. Dun dun.